$250,000 car in my garage. Going broke, the only thing that I fear. What's up, guys? Where's everyone? The stream just started, bro. Like, damn. I haven't streamed in a month. You guys worried about the wrong thing. Motherfuckers worried about my viewers already, bro. Worry about your own shit, man. Hold on, let me get my ottoman to rest my legs. I know you guys don't know what the fuck that is. Yeah, I did change my haircut. What's good, everyone? Good to see everyone. Nady, what's good? CTG. Let me see if I recognize any names. Gabriel Lopez. Brother. Mi hermano. You look a little different today. You guys fuck with it? I got a new cut. Let me know if you guys rock with it. W rug pull. Find me proof of it, bro. I got $1 million. Show me where I rug pulled. Stupid ass. Take that finger out of your mouth, bro. I'm thinking right now. Chill. Bro got grapes for chart colors. You guys wouldn't know what this chart means if it smacked you in the head, bro. Fire, Nate. What's this chart? It's an order flow chart. How you been, Shinobi? I've been good. Hope you guys have been alright. Diddy or Epstein, you've lost your fucking mind, brother. Definitely Epstein, though. He had a PJ. He had his own island. Like, bro, he's definitely way cooler, in my opinion. I want to see 97.5 for longs. I want a long 97.5. And then I'll probably hold it to the previous day high at 670. Oh! 6.7. Keep it on the low, but 597.75 to AM. Bro, that's literally my level. Bro went 0.25 higher. Previous day highs at, where is it at? 670 on the dot. That's previous day high. Over here, we had this buyer get absorbed. Sellers weren't able to take control, break us under that low. Buyer's still in position. But he's got a shit fill. He's hovering right around break even. If he gets out and then we get a change in state of delivery, we'll probably go lower to our entry here. Be on the fucking lookout, boys. What entry are you looking at? I'm looking at 25.97.61 for longs. Thought we would continue to New York highs. I mean, we could, but we just took out internal highs here. So it might go lower, fill us, and then continue higher, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I want you to love me. So forget about the world, cause it's gonna be me and you tonight. What's good, Harry? Want you to make me feel like I'm the only girl in the world. Like I'm the only girl in the world. Like I'm the only. Absorption at 590 was fire. I mean, this wasn't really absorbed. Over here, these ones were fire. Like, this one here is just a little bit iffy right now. I don't know if he's completely absorbed. He's probably still in his position because he's hovering break even. But if he gets out, I think that triggers the move to the downside down to our longs. What's good, Mitchell? How you been, bro? I know I haven't streamed in a while, but I'm going to be back on my streaming shit. I'm going to be back streaming every single day. How do we get that chart? You guys don't even know how to read this chart. Why would you want to get it? That makes no sense. You know any good resources for learning order flow? I have some YouTube videos out on it. What indicator is that? I mean, it's just it's. I don't want to promote the platform because I just started using it and it costs like $600 to get. Yeah, it's just you, Good job, Mitchell. Do you like deep charts more than Sierra? At the moment, yes, but there's a lot of bugs. No, I like Sierra better. I don't know why I'm lying. Sierra's way better. Like, from right now, I'm still trying to figure out, like, whether I like this or not. Look, you want the 10 p.m. to manipulate higher and then short all this low resistance run today. Yeah. You use delta volume profile on deep charts? No. I'm still navigating the platform. I'm so much used to my Sierra. Still. So far, market's not really up to anything. Yeah, it's definitely better for scalping just because their order, how they have it set up. I mean, I would tell you guys what like. The only thing I see here is that this buyer's still in. I want to see if him selling can trigger a move to the downside. But that's really all I'm seeing. Like, there's not much to go off here. I want a long 597. We took out this high. Low key swept it. This is the target. This is the draw for now. So that's what I'm looking for. Look at gold on the 4 hour. There's a 4 hour rejection block and a 4 hour candle with no wick. I'm not going to look at gold just because I'm going to be tempted to take a trade. And every single time I do that, I end up just fucking it up. Alright, this thing is just moving on up. Imagine 671 could also be a decent short area. $671. I might try it. If we can get up there. I would be willing to try it out. Let me see what else we got going on. If we take out 671, take that out. Oof. We have a draw at 721. 721 might be the draw, but other than that, wait. $692 is better than 671. Yeah, I'm not taking 671. I'll take 690. 692 if we can get there. I have a level at 692 for shorts. Ooh, yeah, go slower, boy. What the fuck is wrong with you, bro? Yeah, I have a short limit at 692, stop at 702. What funded should I get? If you're a beginner, I'll recommend Apex because the accounts are super cheap. How many tick stop loss? I just said what my stop loss was. It's 702. What's that 692? It's the furthest 15-minute gap from that entire leg that the markets has the draw towards. Quite literally just waiting. All right, buyers still buying up here. That's pretty bullish, considering that sellers haven't been really selling at all. So if you look at it over here, whenever you see something like this was yesterday, I think. This was the trade we caught yesterday. But when you see buyers still initiating on a move up and they're still interested in the market, we continue to go up. You can see buyers are still buying, still here. And then when you see sellers start to initiate, it's very, very small positions and they're getting absorbed for the most part. Look at all these sellers getting absorbed and look at all the buyers continuing to buy through all that, right? So over here, that's what we're seeing. We're seeing a seller get trapped here, a buyer initiate, and then you see another buyer, bigger buyer initiate. Then you see more buyers start to initiate. So this is most likely going to go for that 670 high. So yeah. Warehouse stream. I'm at the warehouse. I just don't have my face cam on. But this is a really bullish sign. When you're seeing buyers continue to initiate even after a move up, that's a good sign that the market's probably going to continue up. What you're not seeing a lot of is like, look here how buyers were initiating, but sellers were still hopping in. Sellers are still being able to create some red candles. Buyers would initiate, sellers would step in, and then this here is where passive sellers that had limit orders were taking control, and then boom, the sellers unleashed, bam. So always look for that. Always try to build the context of the market through buyers and sellers in the auction, right? So I'll give you guys another example here somewhere. Like these are mainly better for tick charts. But over here, you could see when the market is zoned out like this, when you have the market pretty much consolidating like this, what you're seeing is you're seeing buyers step in and then sellers immediately step in, and then you're seeing just choppy action. This is called a balance zone, right? This is where the market is balanced. Buyers and sellers can't seem to choose what's going to happen or where the market's going to go, and then you start seeing buyers get absorbed here. Buyers get absorbed here by a massive passive seller or just passive sellers in general. Then you start to see those buyers get out of their positions and those moves happen, right? And then over here, you can see sellers start to get absorbed down here, and then you get a little move up. So overall, what you're looking for is when we're having these consolidation moments, if you just wait it out and you look at the order flow, you're able to see where the market's going to head from there, right? So make sure you're always looking at the consolidation areas just to see what would happen. Like over here, the market was consolidating. Right before this move up, right? Market was just consolidating. And then you had buyers start to initiate. Sellers were not able to protect this high that they absorbed this buyer on. We had a strong green close here. This could have been a decent area to long. And then once you see buyers initiate again, boom. So now, coming into previous day high at 670, we're starting to see some sort of sellers start to step in, right? Now, that could just be a previous buyer, one clipping his position. All right, it could just be this buyer getting out all the way here, taking profits. Until we see a strong red close, there's no reason to act on this just yet. But from the looks of it right now, we have a buyer getting absorbed, a seller initiating, or a seller stepping into the market. So what you're looking for is you're looking for a stronger red close to sort of initiate that move down. If we close above this seller, then that just means that's most likely just this buyer getting out, in my opinion. 670, bro. The overall goal is just to build context around what's going on in the market to help yourself understand it better. Did you take any trades so far? I've only taken one, but they were just some bullshit. I don't look at the DOM. I don't look at the DOM. I don't know why I went live. I should have had dinner first. What are you eating? I have salmon with cauliflower rice and broccoli. I'm not talking right now, guys. I'm about to eat my dinner. Why not take a long up to 670, 690 area? Because that's what we call retardedness. Just because you have a drawn liquidity doesn't mean you just enter randomly, right? You need to have some sort of entry mechanism to where you can enter at a pullback and get a good price. All right? That's like going to a dealership and being like, if I'm going to buy the car anyways, why would I negotiate? That's just being dumb. You want to get the best possible fill. Alright, we're seeing some sort of action start happening here at the 671 area. We're seeing sellers initiate, but buyers continue the pressure up. So let's see how this candle closes. Buyers seem to be getting absorbed. If they get absorbed, then honestly, I should have just taken that 671 short, but it's whatever. What's TP? We haven't even gotten in a trade. What the fuck are you asking? What's TP, bro? What? Oh, 671 was probably the spot. It's a short. I missed out on it. I removed my limit. So right now what you're starting to see is buyers trying to continue that pressure up, but passive sellers are stepping in above this previous day high. Then we're seeing seller initiation happen as well. So let's see what happens here. If this candle closes red, that's very bearish. It's my favorite course selling day trader type shit. Was good mod. 1 minute change in state entry. Honestly, if this inverses the 1 minute gap, it might also be worth taking. If it can even retest. Like shorting 670, 667. I'll probably take that if it retests. It should off that 1 minute gap. want to see it test 671 there. Or not 671, 667. Dude, that 671 level was top tick, bro. Fuck yeah. Did anyone end up keeping that limit? Did anyone end up keeping 671? Damn, bro, I'm a bitch. This shit just pumped or dumped. Flip, man. Please tell me someone caught that. What's good, Spiffy? I would try longing 48.25 to be honest. I would want to see if we can get a bounce off 48.25. I don't think this is a full-fledged reversal move. Let's see what happens though. It's probably just rebalancing to that fair value gap. What's up with the webcam? I don't know. I threw on a new fit today. Bro, it edged, bro. Fuck. I didn't account for 2 ticks of fuckery this time. Oh, wouldn't have even been 2 ticks. Wow. Webcam where? Why do you guys care about the chart? Do you guys care about looking at me, bro? What the fuck's wrong with you guys, man? Limit where? So I said 648.25. I don't know. It just didn't fill. I'm removing that limit. But damn, that level was good. It's already a fucking 10-point bounce from there. Yeah, I literally have my fucking webcam running, bro. I no longer have my limit at 648.25, guys. It got edged. That means I'm not entering anymore. All I'm looking at right now is 692. That's 2 levels I called that fucking did good, bro. And I didn't get in. 648.25 and then 671 shorts. They both banged. Actually, I'm going to try it again in case it sweeps this low. 648.25. That's my stop. My target would probably be 692. We'll see if we could get filled. A little sweep under the previous candle and a nice little bounce. I wouldn't be too bad. I'd be a happy camper. We'll see if we can get it. $500,000 all in blues, bitch. We went large. All right, let's see if we sweep this low. Where are my tortillas at? You long 48.25 on me?
Yeah. You want thank you, right?
Yeah. That TikTok crazy? Which one? Dude, it just edged. Again, is it not gonna fill? All right, we're in. Is this A plus? No. I like how that last candle closed where it swept the previous one. But I don't want to see it dig any deeper into this fair value gap. I want to see it reverse now. What are your thoughts on gold? I don't trade gold. I have no thoughts that are worth talking about. I'm really regretting not shorting 671 like we planned originally. That would have been such a good trade. 2 points are down on, that would have been 10R. Those lows on consolidation legs are ready target? No. If it... What?
I thought you had the questions.
They are. But you guys remember, market always moves from external range to internal range. Yesterday's high at 670 was external range. This 5-minute gap is internal range. This would have been my target for the 671 shorts regardless. I wouldn't be looking for... I'm still bullish overall in the higher time frames. 692 is where I want it to go. Can you tell me the pair? So what I want you to do is get out of full screen and read the title of the stream. And you're going to be very surprised at what your discovery will be, brother. Matter of fact, let me read it for you. It says, live trading Asia session, NQ futures. Now, if you look over here, it says NQ. Look at the price. It's NQ. Is this Asia session? So, I'm going to beat the fuck out of anyone who asks a stupid question. Like, people say, oh, there's no stupid questions. There's no such thing as a stupid question, but there's a such thing as retards. Right? And some of you guys ask some retarded questions. Like, one time, bro, I was like, oh, I'm looking at midnight open, and someone's like, what time is midnight? Bro, I wanted to kill myself. Why do I hear the fucking Indian and his white friend talking? Why do I hear Rahul and company downstairs? What time is 10 a.m. open? Like, I know when I first started trading, I was stupid. But, like, I wasn't this fucking stupid. Is this, by the way? The fuck? Shinobi, don't you find these markets too slow moving? Bro, do you want the markets injected with, like, crack or something to move faster? I prefer the slower markets, bro. It's way more calm. At least Shinobi keeps it real. Bro, I mean, some people ask some stupid questions, bro. And I'm just like, bro, I'm not, like, most, you guys are all old enough to trade. All you guys know what the fuck you're doing. If you're gonna sit here and ask me some dumbass shit, you're a grown-ass man, bro, asking me what time midnight is, bro. Like, I should slap the fuck out of you. What code are we using? Oh my god, I'm so glad you asked. We all are buying 2,300K accounts on Apex for 80% off using code OBI. And then we can use code OBI for $10 activate. Did they end that, the Black Friday deal? Who's we? We as in everyone in this chat. Everyone in this chat just put it on their mom's life that they're using code OBI tonight and maxing out their credit cards. That's what I heard. Are you allowed to buy accounts with your own code? No. Unfortunately not. I wish I was, though. Is this code OBI? No. It's O as in octopus, B as in bitch, I as in idiot. So if you go to apextraderfunding.com and use code OBI at checkout, you can save 50% or more off your purchases. No, you could buy an account with candy. You got to mail it in. And then if you use code OBI, they ship me a piece of the candy. You use code STD? All right, bro, you're getting HIV. Don't ask me how I know, bro. You do not want to know. Did I miss the longs? Bro, you missed the shorts, the top tick shorts into the bottom tick longs. I just don't like if we left equal lows there. Oh, they're equal as fuck, aren't they? Oh, little volume imbalance? Little volume imbalance action? What the flip is going on? Alright, volume imbalance is gone. Can we use code D? Yo, you guys use any other code but code OBI, just know I'm gonna find you. You do not want to know what I'm gonna do when I find you, bro. Just get ready to be tickled. Did this guy just cheer on a fucking level? This fucking idiot just said, let's go, 24-6-18. Let's go. Like, are you a fucking cheerleader, bro? What the fuck? Talking about some go to a fucking price level, bro. I've seen it all at this point. Get your little pom-poms out and cheer for a level, guys. It'll make it work better. Go! Yes! Let me get a 2. Let me get a 4. Let me get a 6. 1, 8. Yay! Is Ninja Trader? No. Why use Apex? Because I have 20 accounts with them. Yeah, this is deep charts. Slay 618, you go, girl. Where's your face cam? It's on. You guys don't see me in the top right? I'm thinking right now. Deep charts, I'm not gonna lie, I don't like it too much. I like Sierra better as of right now. I haven't fully looked at everything yet. Bro, you got nice hair, Snowy? Appreciate it. I just got a new cut. Should I name my kid Calvin? Yes. Do you do this every Tuesday? I trade every day. I'm gonna start streaming every day again. I haven't streamed in like a month. I streamed every day of the summer. I have a question. Where did you guys find the stream from? Are you guys mostly in the free Discord, or like did you guys come from YouTube or like TikTok or where? It is buggy and laggy at times. That's why I don't like it as much. I'm gonna name my kid OBI. Fire. You trading with 5M&Q? No, I'm trading a mini right now. Discord, Pornhub, YouTube, Discord, both. Reddit. Reddit? Discord, paid Discord. Fire. Your channel name was in graffiti in Lower East Side Manhattan. Bro, you guys are just making some obscure shit up now. He always be in his own world. He really quiet unless you know you. Funny as hell though. Does it give you pause that NQ swept previous day high? I mean, it's a little concerning, but at the end of the day, I have the draw higher. And I think this is a move from external range liquidity into internal range. So I'm a little, that makes me feel a little better about taking longs here. I would obviously love if we didn't sweep that high, because that would be the easiest. Do you journal all your trades? Of course. Shinobi, will you Apple pay me $7? Yo, Spiffy, I'm gonna spit on my hand and slap the fuck out of you, bro. On some real shit. Yo, I want to be referred to as HNIC from now on. You guys can figure out what that means, but I am the HNIC now. Can you send me 3K? I will shoot you. I'm kidding. Yo, I'm saying it in GTA. In GTA. Yo, can we get a spiffy E-fight? HNIC. Will you pay me $7? As HNIC, bro, I'm gonna slap you, spiffy. Head ninja in charge. There you go. H-back? Can you send me a BMW M3 2022? No, unfortunately, I only have a 2023. Nice move up here, chat. Be careful around this area here where the seller had stepped in. I would watch out for this area in specific. Once we get over this area, I'll be looking to move stop to break even. Yo, chat, should I dox my friend Rahul? Shinobi, I reckon my BMW is faster than yours. Which one is yours? Alright, my friend Rahul is yelling downstairs like a frail little Indian. Guys, unless I hear Rahul call me daddy, I'm gonna leak his address. And I want everyone here to ship him pizzas. Alright? M5 comp stage 2, yeah, you got it, big bro. Mm-mm. What's the password? Yeah, I just scared him.
That was so fast,
Yo, open the door for him, bro.
Hold on.
Yo, if you break the door, Vivek's gonna pay for it.
He's muted, bro. Chill.
I'm unmuted now.
Hey, bro, chill. He's unmuted now. Don't say it.
What'd you say?
No, I'm unmuted now, bro. Do not make me start, bro.
Yeah, well, start what?
Start what?
Start what?
Start. Are you trying to intimidate me right now?
Yeah.
What is the address? Start
What is he drunk?
You know what's crazy? There's a G80 down there that I can just like go pee in. So I actually have to take a leak.
Bro, dude.
So I can just like, you know.
The amount of indecent exposure charges you will face is crazy.
All on camera.
All on camera,
I'm
bro.
gonna face the other way, bro. I'm gonna be in the car. I'm just gonna pee in the seat. It's fine.
Dude, I swear to God. Honestly, I'd love to see you do that, bro. Matter of fact, you won't do it. Do not look at me like that, bro. Who allowed this guy in, bro? This is the worst mistake ever.
Bro, it's so cold downstairs.
Oh,
And I did. Camo said another 35 minutes on top. They said 15 minutes away, 40 minutes
Wait,
ago.
did you tell him he needs a tire too?
No, they said that he doesn't have a 285 20 or 30 20.
Alright, we gotta find a tire tomorrow.
yeah.
It was a couple hours ago when I asked.
Wait, why don't I just take what's his name? Yusuf's tire. He has my wheels, right? Let me call him right now. We're gonna ask for free tires on stream, guys.
He's TikTok famous, by the way.
We're gonna call Yusuf,
Yo,
chat.
can you get your finger out of your mouth?
No, dude. Dude, get out of here. I'm trying to work, bro.
No.
Yo, Yusuf, can I have a set of 285, 30, what is it, 20s?
285 30 20s when you need them tomorrow.
I think
Do you have
that's
any laying
what's
around
in-
that I could buy off you?
I'll just give them to you. If I can check at the dealership, we probably definitely do. But do you want like a certain style? Like do you want Michelin P0s?
I think he
I have
had-
PS4s.
PS4s or PS4s?
PS4.
PS4s, I think.
PS4S.
I don't know what he has in the car.
I'll check real quick, but it's one. Will
We're
go
checking
check.
right now, sir.
Yeah, we're checking right now, but it's only one
I'm not
tire.
Oh, it's only one tire?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I think I do have one, actually.
All right, bet.
Yo, Seth, what
What are you
tires
doing?
did you grab from my warehouse?
I wanted to try the salmon.
What
Well,
did you say?
What tires did
Try
you
like
grab
this.
from
Try
my
like this. Try
warehouse?
like this.
I didn't take any from your warehouse, Subby.
It was just the wheels?
Yeah. I'm at the
PS4s.
hospital
What
right now.
size?
Oh,
What
you
size?
good?
Size.
Yeah. I'm here with my mom.
Is she okay?
Yeah, she just got pneumonia, bro. It's just weird. Like, I don't even know
Oh,
how
bro.
it happened, but I'm just, once I get out of here, I'll,
All right, don't
have
worry
my
about it. We'll
uncle
talk.
go out and go check.
Bro, take care of your mom. We'll talk some. We'll talk whenever that's all figured out.
Alright, but
All right.
I'll call you tomorrow, bro.
All right,
Yep,
peace.
Appreciate you, bro.
Damn.
That's how you know he's the realest motherfucker, bro. Mom in the hospital, in the heat of battle, he's
Still
still coming through.
Still cold.
Like, bro said L Bob, bro. No,
Yo,
say,
yo, chill out.
that's
Ban
fine.
him, bro.
Yo, ban him. Ban that name right now. Ban him right now.
Dude, we're not gonna ban Josh 3966, bro.
Ban him.
Wait, check if he's in
Ban.
the Discord and leak his address.
Yeah, no, leak his address.
Oh
That's a
shit.
good one.
All right, Josh, say sorry. Otherwise, I have to ban you. Otherwise, people are gonna say I'm bad. I'm mean.
He just didn't, bro. He don't know he just dissed.
All right, bro.
cheated
I'll put him in timeout for 10
right,
seconds. He didn't know what he was thinking.
No, I think we need to kidnap him, crucify him, and hang him by his ankles, and then stab him about 45 times.
Put him on a cross.
Yep.
Has he been drinking?
No.
Come on now.
Dude, Rahul is on.
Come on now.
Yo, you know what? Subby,
he-
you don't know when you guys were gone. You know what Subby said?
What?
He was holding the dart, and he's like, "Yo, if I hit this in the green, we're going live." Bam! Smacks it in the green, and then we're both like, "No, we're not going." Oh, dude, it was the craziest shit ever.
I wasn't gonna go.
No, I know, but
No,
that's why
it's
we
more for us.
immediately
He's
said we're
butthurt
not.
because his game got canceled.
Your game got canceled.
Mine?
Yeah, bro, your game got
Nah, it's
canceled.
still on. It's just gonna happen way later at night now.
You're gonna have a soccer game or something?
Yeah.
Nah, he's kicking. Somebody's getting his balls kicked around.
So that's funny. Now, let me tell you why. So, chat. Let me explain the joke to you guys. So basically, he plays soccer. So they kick balls and stuff, right? So the joke is that he's gonna go kick around balls.
He came out on your stream.
Huh?
Rahul came out on your stream. Straight up the quote.
All right. So the second Rahul got here, there's been a red candle. So there's an issue here.
150, bro.
Rahul, brother. You want a blanket or something to go back downstairs or something? Because,
Taking a blanket regardless, nigga.
bro, shut up. I'm streaming, bro.
You said retard about 16 times.
Yeah, I didn't say the N word.
Yeah, they know I'm black. It's fine.
You're not. Your name's Rahul.
Alright, bro. Why you being...
He's Dominican, bro.
Yeah, I know black. I don't think about it. Nunca. Imposible. I know black.
Bro, get out, bro. It's going down. Get the fuck out of here.
The further I walk away from the sub, the more it goes up. I'm in the same fucking grade right now. I'm already down like 600.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I entered really late. Yeah.
It hit that level like 5 times. How'd you enter late?
Don't worry about it. I'm very retarded.
I've never, ever in my life seen someone named Rahul try to claim they're black, bro.
I know black. I know
That's the Indian name, bro. That and Vivek.
I know black. I don't make
Wait, let's search up the most common Indian names. Close the door all the way. Most common Indian names. Ramesh, Amit, Rahul.
Oh, shit, stop 3.
He's top 3.
Why'd you let him up here, bro? Now we're red 75.
Rahul is HPIN. What does that mean? Shinobi. What's up? Dude, he left and we're back break even. You can't make this up, bro. You cannot make this up, bro. Tell him to get the fuck out of the warehouse. We'll hit TP. Tell him to go to soccer early today, bro. Dude, I'm telling you. Yo, if he keeps, he's definitely walking further away. Dude, tell him to go to the opposite end of the warehouse.
Tell him Camo's here and I'll go outside.
Yeah, tell him Camo's here. Make him go outside. Oh, no, he's walking up the stairs or something, bro. The price just went down. Bro is the sell side. Dude, why did I hear this guy just make an animal noise?
Did you hear what he said? He said he was down $600.
How are you down $600
He said I
on...
got a late entry. The level
Dude, did he
reset
enter
like
at...
5 times.
Did he enter at 667?
Bro, the level retested like 5 times. How are you down $600, bro?
He's walking to the other side right now. Bro, make him face the other way, bro, and sit in timeout, bro. Oh, no, he definitely just turned his head.
Yo, use the outdoor shit real quick.
Rahul is the mush from a Bronx still? Bro, he is mush.
If anyone knows some local AA meetings, please let Rahul know.
Yeah, guys, my friend's an alcoholic. Rahul.
Well, like acquaintance.
Yeah, he's a very big alcoholic. Yo, we've been streaming for 67 minutes. Ha! 6, 7. Dude, I'm getting too old for this shit. Eddie Mush put him in the fucking bathroom. I like the stream, Shinobi GG. Thanks, bro.
See who likes the order from Josh.
I'm hearing the garage open. What's that all about? Yo, shut the fuck up, please. Yo, how long is this delay? 1 second. Josh 3966 is pulling up. What time is midnight open? I'm going to kill you in GTA. If you guys want to get it out for break even, if you're a little bitch, you could do that. If this hits full TP, I'll sub to your OnlyFans. Do you play Apex? No. I just trade Apex Firm. Bro, this trade's taking forever. Forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Your TP is 25,700. It's 692. $500,000 all in blues, bitch. We went large. $250,000 car in my garage. You still taking 692 short? Probably not. Would you prefer Asia or New York? I prefer Asia. I prefer London actually the most. I trade London often. Pretty much every day. It's 10:15 p.m. for me. Why do your charts look like Beast Boy? Because I'm the HNIC. No, it's Head Ninja in charge. Can we inverse that 5 minute and just continue? Let's get a change in state of delivery here. I would love to see it close above this level. Right here. And I would love to start seeing some buying initiation. Like we had a buyer step in here. He stayed strong in his position. I want to see more step in above 54.75. I would love to see it close above this. Should I enter now or is it too late? Are you fucking stupid? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 30 minutes of where it was break even and you could have entered. And you want to enter when it's up. Middle tick, dude. Chat mods banned this guy, bro. He just said a slur, bro. Mods ban him. Send him to the gulag. Oh, they actually banned him. Yo, Harry, I'm telling you, bro. Him and Travis, whenever someone needs banning, bro, dude, they come up out of the woodworks to ban motherfuckers. All right, chat. My dinner's getting cold, and now that the trade is green bean, you guys can pretty much do whatever you want from here. I'm gonna get off stream. I'm gonna hold it for at least 673 or my stop loss. Once it closes over 661, my stop is going to be break even. So yeah, I'm gonna get off stream. Make sure you guys tune in tomorrow. Make sure you guys use code OBI. You're gonna have bad luck for the rest of your life if you don't use code OBI on Apex and Alpha. I love you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Free Discord is in the bio. And yeah, shout out to you guys for being here today. I know I've been streaming a lot, so I appreciate everyone, all the people who showed up today and yesterday. And